Hey there, Year 3. We're back again to make a further addition to our game. We've got Pico here, and he is still able to move around the screen way too quickly. Way too quickly. So we know that we can go and very quickly go and get our planet, and it is gliding while it is waiting. And we're going to make that a little bit faster later on. We're going to understand that we can do things to this. And it's choosing a random spot to go to based on those numbers of x, y coordinates on the x and y axis that we talked about last time. This time though, we need to go and change the speed Pico moves at depending on where we are in the game. And to start this, we have to go into data and we have to go and make a variable. Now I've gone in there and made a variable, and I click on this button and it says we'd like to make a variable for this character. Or you can do the variable for all characters. Let's say you're doing a score and you want the score to go to all of them. You can do it for all sprites. This time though, we're only going to do it for Pico. And I've done this one here, so what I'm going to do is just delete this variable. And this is what you will see. I go and make a variable. I'm going to do it for this sprite only. I'm going to call this player speed. I'm going to click OK, and it makes that. And you can see that it makes a readout on there. I can go and untick that. I don't want it. Because what this is going to do is it's going to change this. So at the moment, Pico's moving at 10 steps. And what I want to do really is change this so that Pico gets smaller and Pico gets slower, as the game progresses. And so it makes it harder to reach those planets and get a score as the game progresses. Let's go and put this back to 10. And because we can see how slow Pico's going now. And what we're going to do now is we're going to change this oval space here with this oval block here. Now we did this before with our hexagonal blocks here. We can do this with the oval ones, and this player speed will then change depending on what we want it to be. And we are in control of this, and we can change it as the game goes on. However, we need to change this, and we need to, at the beginning of the game, we need to say how fast we want Pico to go. So we could have Pico going really fast and set at the beginning of the game, we can set Pico's speed to 15. Let's see what this looks like. So you can see that Pico's very fast now. It's way too fast. And we can increase this even faster. And we only have to do it once in here, and it changes every single space down here. So every little input that we've got here, this set value can change just by doing it once. I'll turn it back on, and you can see that Pico has gone really slowly now. So I must be on about level 5 already to get it down to here. That's how we're going to change speed. That's all we have to do, and that's all I'd like you to do for this particular video.